types of vehicles. This is a train, and you see a train on land. This one is a bus. Where do you see a bus? You see it on land. This one is a car. That's right. You see a car on land. Good job. Next is a ship. A ship is in the water. I know you know this one. An airplane. You see it in the air. That's right. Good job. I see a treasure chest. What do you think is our mystery letter for today? Let's find out what's inside the treasure chest. Say open to open the treasure chest. Open! Wow, it opens. There are things coming out of the treasure chest. What is this object? This is a map. That's right. This animal is called a mouse. Correct. And this one is a mug. That's right. And this animal is called a monkey. Correct. Our mystery letter for today is letter M. Good job, kids. Let's open the eggs and see what's inside. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a dog. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a cat. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a monkey. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a horse. Let's open another egg. Say open. Open. Wow, it's a rabbit. Good job, kids. A. Apple. B. Ball. C. Cat. D. Dog. E. Egg. F. Fingers. G. Gift. H. Horse. I. Igloo. J. Jacket. K. Kangaroo. L. Lamp. M. Monkey. N. Nest. O. Octopus. P. Pencil. Q. Queen. R. Rabbit. S. Sun. T. Turtle. U. Umbrella. V. Violin. W. Whale. X. X-ray. Y. Yarn. Z. Zebra. Let's play the ABC game by Teacher Mommy Chris. What is that? What do you see? A blue bucket. Let's see what's inside the blue bucket. Let's go! What letter is that? That is letter A. Ant starts with letter A. Apple also starts with letter A. Pick the objects that starts with letter A. Anchor, arm, axe are the correct answers. They all start with letter A. Well done, kids! Next, what letter is that? That is letter B. Bird starts with letter B. Ball also starts with letter B. Now, what is the sound of letter B? B, B, B. That is the sound of letter B. A, B. On to the next one. What letter is that? Well, that is letter C. Cake starts with letter C. Cat also starts with letter C. Now, put a star on the object that starts with letter C. Camera is the correct answer. So the star goes to camera. Well done, kids. Now, what letter is that? That is letter D. Dog starts with letter D. Dice also starts with letter D. Where is letter D? Is that letter D? No, that is letter C. Is that letter D? No, that is letter B. Is that letter D? No, that is letter A. Is that letter D? Yes, that is letter D. Good job, kids. C. D. The alphabet song. This is on A. A. Oh, what's the sound of A? Ah, ah, ah. That's the sound of A. This is a B. 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 Oh, what's the sound of B? B. 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 That's the sound of B. This is a C. 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 Oh, what's the sound of C? K. 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 That's the sound of C. This is a D. 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 Oh, what's the sound of D? D. 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 That's the sound of D. This is an E. 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 Oh, what's the sound of E? A. 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 That's the sound of E. This is a F. 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 What's the sound of F? F. 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 That's the sound of F. This is a G. 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 What's the sound of G? G. 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 That's the sound of G. 12 months of the year. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December, Counting numbers 1 to 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Hello, kids. There are 21 consonants in the English alphabet letters. Let's name them one by one. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Good job! I see bananas. The bananas are color yellow. Can you help me count the bananas? Let's count how many bananas are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 bananas. Good job counting. Welcome to Teacher Mommy Chris channel. That is an astronaut. Astronaut starts with letter A. The astronaut is in the moon and is going to finish his mission. What do you think is his mission? His mission is to find the objects that start with letter A. Let's help the astronaut to find the objects that start with letter A. Do you think this one starts with the letter A? Yes, it's an apple. An apple starts with letter A. Good job! How about this one? Does it start with letter A? Yes, it's an axe. An axe starts with letter A. Good job! Next is this one. Do you think it starts with letter A? Yes, it's an arrow. An arrow starts with letter A. Good job! Last is this object. Does it start with letter A? Yes, it's an anchor. An anchor starts with letter A. Good job, kids! Happy Halloween! Hello, kids! There are objects inside the pot. All you need to do is to name the objects. I will give you a surprise if you name it correctly. But if you fail, I will bring you to my house. Are you ready? Let's start. What is this object? It is an apple. That's right. How about this one? This is an anchor. Good job. This one is an axe. Good job. And this is an astronaut. Good job. Wow. You are smart. I'll give you a reward. A puppy. Wow. Woof, woof. Syllables. This is a candy. How many syllables is in the word candy? Let's count. 1, 2. Good job. This is a pumpkin. How many syllables is in the word pumpkin? 1, 2. Good job. Which is more and which is less? The orange pumpkins on the right is more. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 orange pumpkins. Good job. And the pink pumpkins on the left is less. That's right. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 pink pumpkins. Good job. Listen more. The pink pumpkins on the left is less than the orange pumpkins on the right. Good job, kids. What is the color of the pumpkins? Its color orange. Good job. Now, let's count the pumpkins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 pumpkins. Good job. The solar system. Sun, Moon, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Halloween alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R S T U V W X Y Z